make more passive income with printables. Today we're going to be going over how to make your PDFs editable. So the first step is to come to pdfescape.com. That's PDF Escape. And hold on, let me go to the home. What you'll want to do is drag and drop the file that you want to edit into this little square right here. And you'll see, you'll take into this page. The next step is to go to form field. And if you want it to be multi-lines, we're going to do text paragraph, select. And now all you need to do is draw the box where you want people to be able to type on. So just like that. Hey, my name is Kay. Oop, anywhere you click, a new box is going to pop up, so be careful with that. I'm just going to delete that object and disable it for now so I can edit this. So you can make text bigger or smaller. I think I like it size 14. I'm actually going to make this a little bit tinier. Just like that. Okay. And then you can right click and just duplicate the boxes so you know it's going to be the same size, and you just do it like this. Of course, I'm going to remove the text though. So yeah, so now anywhere with the green box is editable. So you might want to do this if it's something that your customer might just want to edit on the computer rather than actually have to print out. I know some people like to just do it on their computer, so it gives you a little competitive edge to make your planners and trackers editable as well. The only thing is it is a little bit tedious and time consuming just filling in all of the form fields with these little squares. Like honestly, it's my least liked thing to do when it comes to printables, but like I said, you might get more sales if your product is editable, so you might as well test it out at least. I'm thinking of adding this as a service that I offer just because I know a lot of people hate doing it. So if that's something you'd be interested in, let me know in the comments. But yeah, when you get better at it, it starts going by fast. Don't forget to put a form box up here where it says week so they can type in the date. So I'm going to go back to form field and I'm just going to hit text this time since it's only one line. It's only a little bit of words and room that we need for the date. So I'll make it that big. I don't think it needs to be any bigger than that. Let's test it out. Let's make it 14. Okay. Yeah, that's more than enough room. Cool. Oop. If you want to delete the boxes, just go to the little garbage can up here and disable it if you don't want every click to create a new box. But yeah, so basically you would just do that for all of the boxes. And then you would go to save and download PDF right over here. And then there you go. You open it up. And now you have a beautiful eggs and toast. You have a beautiful fillable PDF.